Welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. Meet our chefs. She is sweet. And he is savory.
Hey guys, welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. This is the Savory part. You know, along this time we've been doing chicken, we've been doing burgers, even pasta. But there's something I haven't done before. So I got myself a ribeye. Beautiful ribeye, Angus actually. Let's cook it. Let's do this infused butter. So right now I have some melted butter right over here. Okay, we're gonna add some powdered garlic, some cognac, and some orange zest. Go, we're gonna put this aside. So here we have our beautiful ribeye. As you can see, we have this beautiful marbling over here. This is why it's so tender. This is why it's one of the prime cuts on the steaks that we use. So we're gonna get some, salt and pepper, season it correctly. No worries. Okay. The other side. One of the biggest mistakes people do is unseason your steak. So you see this bag, you know this bag, vacuum sealing time. Yes, we're going to go against sous vide and we're going to reverse sear it. So we're gonna put here our ribeye inside the bag, but here's one of the best things. Okay guys, so we're gonna put some of our infused butter inside the bag. There we go. Just cover it up. Oops. Swirl like. And that will do. Okay. Bring in our vacuum sealing machine. So our sous vide bath is ready. 135, 40 minutes. The ribeye says bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So our cast iron skillet is ready. This has a ceramic covering. This is a Le Creuset French skillet. Very, very nice. So our ribeye has been cooking sous vide for the last 45 minutes. And now we're just going to reverse sear it. Okay? And there we go. Into the pan. Super hot. While this is just searing, we're actually gonna add some beautiful asparagus right over here. Some of our already pre-made butter, cognac, and we can actually call this a screwdriver butter if you want it. Alright. So this is just so we can get, this lovely char on top of it. So there we go. At this point, we're gonna baste our ribeye. So this is very hot. Just be careful. More of that beautiful cognac and citrus flavor. And it's out. Out for this guy. Our asparagus are gonna stay in there for a couple of more seconds. And here we go. So this is a ribeye. Public is here. We're actually using some bone marrow and some, you know, mashed potato. So let's go and taste this bad boy. There we go. All right. So juicy. Wobble. Come here, cameraman. Taste it. It's really good, eh? Well, let's taste the asparagus. Perfect. Bone marrow. Magnificent. So, thank you again so much for watching this video. It's me, Chef Caesar, aka also known as the Brownie Chef. This was the Sweet and Savory channel and the Savory Pot. I'll see you in the next video. Tweet us your pictures, follow us, give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.